everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we have yet another edition of Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. Yes, it's Budget Friendly Friday, y'all, which is where I am bringing you wig reviews of wigs that are under $25. We are trying to save them coins in your pockets. Alright, so, honey. I don't know what happened, but a couple Budget Friendly Fridays ago, I reviewed a cute little black pixie cut unit that I personally didn't like, and everybody and they mama, literally, loved it. And I was just like, what? So I was like, I'm gonna bring y'all, it ain't for me, for those who really love these little cute pixie cut styles. I'm here for you. I said I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna look out for y'all. So you're welcome. So today we're gonna be reviewing a Bobbi Boss unit. Now, like for real, I feel like I have not reviewed Bobbi Boss. Ooh, honey, I know it was hot outside. It's been a while. Bobbi Boss done fell off, huh? Where's Bobbi Boss?
Anybody seen Bobbi Boss? Anybody know what Bobbi Boss is?
Man, Bobbi Boss done fell off. I used to love... No, I do love them. I love Bobbi Boss. They just gotta come on back now. Come on. Don't stay away too long. Get into this competition. I know Outre running the game right now. But come on. Get in there. You gotta get in there. So today I'm gonna be reviewing NIKA in the color number 2, which is this unit I'm wearing. She comes with premium synthetic fibers. She has a full cap, ready to wear. So let's just go ahead and dive right on it. So as you saw in the styling process, really nothing to her. No lace, no glue, no baby hairs, no none of that. Put this baby on and finger style her the way you like, or comb, you know, whatever you desire. And get on out the door. She is really beginner friendly, no effort. Ooh, let me tell you about this cap size though. Y'all know I always say I have a small to medium size head. When I put this joint on, I was like, whoa, wait a minute. I mean, it's comfortable now, but that initial pull down, I was like, whoa, we're not gonna do this. But I got her on and she on. But if you got a little swole head, I don't know. I mean, it won't be comfortable like it is for me. Like, to me, it's just like perfectly comfortable now. It ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere at all. So this really does, or really could pass for like a human hair unit, for real. Like, this look like it could be somebody's hair. I think from the front though. Let me go on and do my 360 now and show you the back. I'm not a fan of the back. To me, I feel like the back makes it look like a wig a little bit, but I feel like that's with any of them. If you ain't seen my other video, like the other pixie cut unit, I personally don't like these units on me. However, I think they look super cute on so many others, so don't go for my disdain on this. So let me just wrench around. And pardon my kitchen if it ain't together. I really don't know. I didn't check. But for these kind of units, you kind of got to have your kitchen together. You don't want no beady beads poking out saying, hello. You don't want that. So, y'all saw me, like, I had to, like, mess it up and start over and mess it up and start over with the styling. I mean, this is just preference. You just have to get this jump to your liking. And I feel like spiking it out right here in my eyes was, like, the best way to get it, like, you know, kind of cute and sexy a little bit, just like the other one. Now, I know a lot of people, because even my mother, my own mother, was like, I like that one. I just don't know if I can have all that hair by my eyes like that. I get it. I get it. We're going to play around with this baby because, you know, the styling is endless. Ooh, honey. Ooh, just me moving that like that. I was just like, oh, for me. Oh, okay, let me stop. I'm being extra. I'm being real extra. But you can comb it out of your eyes. It don't have to be in your eyes like it was for me. Look, now she's above my eyebrows. I don't like the style like this though. But to each his own. If this is what you prefer, it is an option. You don't mind the hair in your face and by your eyes, I highly recommend styling it that way. Let me style it like the stock card. So she got like all the hair going forward right here and just like laid out. And that's what made me buy it. I thought it actually looked kind of cute on the stock card. But I don't know if I'm feeling that. Look. And you see I had it tucked behind my ear because I felt like it looked less wiggy. But maybe it'll work. I'm just playing around, y'all. That's what you got to do with this kind of wig. You just got to really play around with it. And mousse and your fingers are going to be your best friend. Yeah, I'm using this comb right now, but even a hot comb. I had to go in with a hot comb for a second because it was like little poof areas in some places. Do I like this? No. I do not. But somebody might. I'm just not a fan of the Pixie Cuts on myself. And it's real similar to the last one. I feel like this one is a little longer. It has a little more hair up here in this top area. But look, I even styled it where I was like trying to do like a little mohawk. I thought that was kind of, it was getting cute where you like point it all right here to the middle and then get all the sides back flat. Like it's potential, y'all. It's really a lot of potential styles with this. You do your little mohawk right here. Okay, I'm just playing around now, but maybe not. That looked like a whole bird. I ain't trying to be a bird right now. All right, so one other thing I did notice, just like the last Pixie wig, she's a shedder. Like I looked down and I felt like there was hair all over me. I'm like, I didn't do no cutting. Like, why are we shedding like this? It's just, yeah, she's shedding a little bit. No tangling, of course. I mean, there's no length, so I don't know how it's going to tangle, but it is shedding. So let's talk about the price. This wig ranges anywhere between $14 to $20, of course, depending on the site that you get her, as well as the color you may choose. So, of course, I'll include a link in the description box below of various shopping options if you're interested. And I believe I mentioned before, if you didn't see the previous Pixie Cut unit, of course, I'll leave that link down in the description box as well, along with my short synthetic wigs playlist, in case you're just interested in short units. All right, y'all, so that's really all that I have. It wasn't a whole lot to her. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below, so let me know what you think of Miss NIKA. I almost called her Auntie NIKA, because that's still how I feel in this Pixie Cut, but I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. So let me know what y'all think of NIKA down in the comments below. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you have not. And of course, I'll be sure to catch you in the next video. Thank you all so much. I truly, truly appreciate you. Bye, y'all.